This video explains and demonstrates an alternate cover for the corner steering motors on the Jet Propulsion Laboratory Open Source Rover. To steer the corner wheel assembly, the rover has this motor with a gearbox combo, which is fairly robust, but it has wiring up top that needs to be protected. The standard design does have a cover that we can 3D print and install, but I thought it'd be fun to explore a different design with two goals in mind. One is to be able to disassemble it without tools, and two, be more robust against sideway forces, and I'll explain both later. Here are the two pieces that I came up with. First piece should print this way on the 3D printer, and once removed, there's a little bit of spring. There are nubs on either side of the base. These fit into the hole on the beam that we used to build this rover. Now by itself, it's a half decent cover, but it is a little bit loose. That's where the second part comes in. It has a hollow center that fits over the motor and assembly, and being a cylinder holding the parts together, now the whole assembly clamps on quite solidly. So that's the toolless construction, very easy without screwdrivers. Part 2 was more robust against sideway forces because the default cover does snap off fairly easily. This is important when we're assembling the rover because sometimes we have it on its back, on its side, and we want the motor to continue to be protected. Having a cover like this, especially this one, which is round, it does not have any sharp edges to snag on your flooring or other parts as you're moving the rover about to build the rest of it. So here's the alternate design. STL files for 3D printing are in the links on the Thingiverse, as are the original CAD files, because maybe someone wants to modify this. This could be the base. This could be anything you want as long as there is a circle. Want a different design, want a logo, maybe even mounts for additional sensors. It's all possible here in a toolless construction design. I hope this explains it enough to see if you want it on your own open source rover, and I look forward to seeing what other people can build on top of this design.